Welcome to Chemistry Wide. Today we will see laws of thermodynamics. First we see first law. We know that energy cannot be created or destroyed, but it transfers one system to another system. So we can write mathematically delta E equal Q plus W. Here delta E is change in internal energy of the system. Internal energy means the energy of the whole system. Q is the heat, W is the work. Here system means heat, object or particular quantity of mass. See, this is the system. The internal energy is inside the system, in whole system. That is called internal energy or delta E. See, next, Q is the transfer the heat, W is the transfer of energy via mechanical work. Here the energy cannot change in a system unless it is transferred in or out. Next, let's consider a system. The system means the quantity of the matter or particles or energy, and everything outside. If we connecting with the surroundings, this is the system. The all side is surroundings. See, if energy can flow into out of the system, the energy going to system. Here two ways in which energy can pass through, that heat and work. Here two ways possible to energy going through, heat and work. This is the system, this is the surrounding, the energy going to system. If heat flows into the system gains energy from surroundings, and that energy is called internal energy. It is represented by U. Internal energy is U, but here we will going to back. There is some mistakes, I think. See, here del is the change in internal energy of the system. Please note here del is changing in internal energy of the system, but internal energy is delta U. The change of the internal energy is delta E. Please don't confusion with each other. See this diagram. This is the system. This is the heat energy going to system. This is surroundings. This is surroundings. The whole system gains energy. It is called internal energy. It is denoted by U. The surroundings can do work on a system, the surroundings can do work on a system. See, the system increase the internal energy at two ways. It is transfer of heat energy into the system. It is two way. First one is heat and second one is work. Let's consider if surroundings perform 700 joules on a system, the system of the internal energy goes up by 700 joules. This is internal energy is delta E positive because it is gain the energy, that is why positive. If the system loses 500 joules of energy, the surroundings gains 500 joules. Three types of system. First one open system, second one closed system, third one isolated system. First we will see for open system. This is the system, this is the heat flows in this direction and in this direction. In open system, energy or matter can enter into open system. It means heat energy can flow inside the system. So matter and energy can be transferred into and out on open system. See at closed system, this is the closed system, there is no any open holes like that. In closed system, matter or energy can't flow. In closed system, matter cannot flow into it. However, the energy can still flow into a closed system. Next, in closed system, only energy can go into and out of a closed system, but matter cannot go. Next, isolated system. This is the isolated system. We know that isolated means it means separating like this. Next, in isolated system, matter or energy cannot enter or leave an isolated system. So this system is closely packed without any disturbance by energy or matter. So the mass within the isolated system is fixed. There is mass is fixed. It does not always exchange with the surroundings. This matter does not exchange with the surroundings. See here, the total energy of an isolated system also does not change because energy cannot flow into the system or out of the system. So equation for internal energy of the system, delta U equal Q plus W. Here Q is heat energy, W is work, U is internal energy, del is changes. So delta U equal to Q plus W. See carefully, Q is plus Q. See here, Q is going to positive, the absorb of heat energy endothermic process. Q is going to negative, releases the heat energy of the system, it is called exothermic process. Endothermic process is Q going to positive or increase. In exothermic process, Q going to negative or decrease. In chemistry, thermodynamics, in chemistry formula, not physics. Here see the chemistry. W is going to positive work on the system. W is going to negative work is by the system. This is the first law for thermodynamics. We can see second law. For a spontaneous process, the entropy of the universe is always increasing, still increasing, because by entropy. Example, if we will put up ice at room temperature, it will melt. If we put water at room temperature, it will not freeze. This is the entropy. Entropy means order to disorder. For a spontaneous process, the entropy of the universe is increasing. Entropy means order to disorder. Next, if disorder goes up, entropy also goes up. So we can say the entropy S of the universe is increase. So delta S universe is going to positive. The system is positive and the surrounding is also positive. So delta system plus delta surrounding is going to positive. It is also going to positive. This is called spontaneous process. This is second law. Third law. A perfect crystal at 0 Kelvin. Please note this. Here temperature denoted by Kelvin. Please don't forget this. Temperature is denoted by Kelvin, not Celsius or Fahrenheit. A perfect crystal at 0 Kelvin has 0 entropy. This is the third law of the entropy. We can see next video third law of the thermodynamics in full details. Please subscribe the channel. Thanking you all the best.